Alright boys, welcome back to another El Camino Kyle video. On today's episode, I can't promise anything, but I guess if this video's up, we'll be bringing home a 1950 Ford F-3 pickup that's been sitting since 1993, and this one's for Noah. He found it on Craigslist for $700. I'll throw up some photos of the ad. And basically it belongs to an older guy who drove it for a long time and then parked it in 93 because it started having consistent problems. When he texted it to me, I told him absolutely not. Even for $700 and with minimal rust, it's probably not even worth that. But you know, the guy is 30 minutes from us, so I thought we'd go check it out, or Noah wanted to go check it out. I sent the guy a text anyway. So that's what we're going to be doing today, and I guess the next clip will either be us on the way there or in the car with Noah. So see you there. Alright boys, you saw what a beauty that thing was. I believe it was yellow, green, white, blue,
red,
and yeah, the color of Mother Nature. But yeah, we talked to an 84-year-old gentleman named Jack, and his wife was also there, and the neighborhood cat also decided to show up. I didn't find any critters in the under the hood or under the dash, but wiring was sure shot. Let's see, what else? Rust everywhere. It comes with the car, no extra price. Seemed pretty lenient on the price. Told him to scrounge through the house and find his title, and I'll get in touch with him later this week because Noah knows nothing better to only find crappy deals.
Oh.
But yeah, anyway, the guy was super soft-spoken. You practically were mouth on mouth with him to hear him speak. He was an old Army vet. He had a hell of a lot of stories to tell. But yeah, so I'm sure later this week there will be another clip on that thing. But I think it's cool. I got some cool videos and cool photos of it that maybe I'll turn into a little collage if we don't end up buying it. So from now on to the next clip or the ending of this video, hope you enjoyed, and I apologize if we didn't get that hunk of metal. Alright, we're going to be completing this video. Right now it's probably 5 days later. I was busy this whole week working. I can't feel my legs. Noah can't feel his arms. And we are heading back to Jack's house to negotiate a price and probably take it home. We made a reservation for U-Haul and we stuffed the back seat with a whole bunch of crap. Wheel brakes are probably going to be locked up, and we do not have a winch. I've got a come along and some chains. We got a tow strap and a mallet and a torch and some other things. So
brute force, pure testosterone.
Yeah. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, so we just got here. We had some time to kill, so we're driving around the neighborhood, found a plethora of cars, and actually I think it's an 88 FJ60 that my dad's buddy has had me on this hunt for. He wants a red one, a white one, a blue one, a silver one, a cream one. So I found him a few. Got a name and number of that guy, throw up a photo of that on the screen, and yeah, now we're here. When we were pulling in, Jack left to go get a gas cap because he wanted to sweeten the pot with that. But I'll give you a real look around it. So I don't remember exactly what I told you guys originally, but it's got the color of Mother Nature, Wimbledon white if you want to call it that, navy blue, gray, yellow, what else? And a whole bunch of other stuff, but it's got some flat tires, tailgate's dented. We're gonna have to lift it up. Hopefully these things will hold air and we can put those on.
They look like they're there.
Yeah, they are. It's on the ground a little bit. I can't get a very good look at it. Here's a real sweet look at her. He said that he might have these on the phone, Noah. He was searching in the garage. He found something. I don't remember exactly what he found. We're going to try and negotiate a price with him. Hopefully $400. It's listed as $7. I'll throw the original ad up on the screen. But yeah, we'll see what we can do. He's a sweetheart. Oh, Georgie's here. Gotta go. Oh. Good sign. Almost there. There's one full rotation. I don't even. So those are the two major spots. And then 3. Where else? Yeah, of course the bed. You got one right there. Dent that should be easy to pound out. Smaller dent right there. Let's see. Probably some right there.
Yep.
Obviously right there. Bottom of the door. Definitely there. Definitely here. Okay, we can't even see the bottom of the other door. Right there. Oh, shoot! And, I mean, yeah, that's... Thank you. And then, yeah, surface everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, at least it turns over. It's been sitting 2003, 2013, as 27 years, almost 30 years. Turns over, except I've never worked on a 6-volt system. Can't be that hard. Yeah, so plan is if we can negotiate a price, we'll get Noah's big Ford tow rig, hook onto the hitch or differential or something, tear off the rear bumper as we pull it out onto the street, park a trailer here, and then basically hit the drums until they free up and roll it down there without any brakes. And yeah, so we'll see what happens with negotiation. And then I'm fairly confident in my woodworking abilities that I can make a new bed for Noah. That'll be a project in and of itself. But yeah, now it's just a waiting game for Jack. I'm probably gonna tuck her down in the truck so I can stay warm until I get pneumonia, pushing around a pure steel truck for the next 3 hours, and losing 3 toes and cursing, getting tetanus. Yeah, you should probably check if it goes in gear. The clutch felt good. Alright, see you guys soon. Warm those puppies right up. Ooh, we're smoking. All right, boys. So Noah, or actually before I say anything, it was sunny today with a light drizzle, and Jack was not there, so we got a better look around it. And then Noah went to shift it, put the clutch in, went into first fine, went into second fine, wouldn't go into third or fourth. And I said, I don't know, I'm not for certain on this, but it might be because the way the gears work in the transmission is you can't shift into gears higher than second when the car is off or in park. It needs to be driving or turned on, or I don't know. Or it could just be seized. One of the two. You guys will let me know in the comments. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it on the 1950 Ford F-3. We were gonna offer him $250 instead of $700, but at the end of the day, it wasn't even worth $250. I can't weld. Well, I can stick weld, but
It wasn't worth our time.
yeah, it wasn't worth the time. Wasn't worth the money. So, I think we're gonna go eat some coleslaw, and then go look at that '69 Firebird. So, that might be in this video. That might be in the next one. If you guys are in Oregon and want to look at that 50 Ford, shoot me an email or message me on Instagram. All that stuff's down in the description. And remember, let me know if you want me to start making stickers. Send me photos and a description of your projects to my email or my Instagram. And or you can send me a photo of you and your grandmother. That's going to do it for today. See you boys later.